Okay guys, today we're back at the Florida Museum of Natural History. But today we're going to be doing the butterfly exhibit. So let's go inside. Okay, so the butterfly exhibit is $14 for adults unless you're a Florida resident, and then it was $12. So yay, we saved $4 today. It's kind of quiet in here, but you can see all the butterflies on the wall. Oh, this is where we go. This is us.
This is us?
This is us. Okay, okay, so. Oh, let's look at this. I'm excited. Oh, we get a finch in there too.
Looks like the monarch is the most common, the ones we're looking at.
Okay. Close this door completely. Let's not let no butterflies out. Whoa, there's the fan. Well, I think we kind of got the place to ourselves too. Nope, I hear some other people. Oh, I don't know if you can see them. Oh, there's a bunch on the fence up here. Look at that. Oh, they're flying right towards us. Oh, I didn't even see these guys right here. Look, they're hiding in the trees. Oh, look at the birds down here. Where'd they go? Look. Hi, guys. They're hiding back there. Oh. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, they've been there. Oh, look how strong that one looks.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of them back there too. Looks like they've had a lamp back there with them. Hi. Flew right at me. The waterfall forest fires. I'm gonna make a compilation of all of our waterfall fires. The body there. Oh, I didn't even see him. Hey, turtle guy.
I wanted to make sure it was real before I told you about it, and I didn't sound silly.
Lord, what have we ever not done it to him? He's just hanging out. Oh, the butterflies flying in front of the waterfall. Hey guys, y'all hiding out? A bunch of them. I like these like translucent purple ones. blue.
The blue, yeah.
Like the underside kind of looks purple. Hmm? Oh, look at them all right there. They're all gathered up. Is that bananas?
I think.
That looks like bananas. There's a gentleman who works at the Seamount Bubble. So that looks like bananas. So is this bananas that they're eating over here?
Yeah, just regular bananas.
That's what it looked like. We just wanted to make sure.
Nothing fancy.
I had no idea butterflies ate bananas. I don't know why.
No, it's good.
Yeah, I thought it was, but I wanted to clarify.
Understandable.
Stays pretty busy in here, huh?
Early November, yeah, this is pretty busy.
Yeah. We were thinking, oh, it's late in the day, it'll be quiet in there. But there's quite a few, which is good. That means you guys are making some money. Keeping everybody fed with bananas.
But,
So the warmer it is, the more active they are.
yeah, there's
Mom, you got one behind you. Don't lean back.
Okay. Usually, as long as it's sunny and it's above.
Beautiful. Well, that was informative.
It was.
Who knew that butterflies would eat bananas?
I never knew it.
And it's a trail we can't get lost on.
Well, yeah.
We could.
Well,
It's a trail most people would get lost on. Oh, it's singing to us, isn't it? Yeah, he is. What is it? Oh! Oh, that coloration on that one is gorgeous. They hide pretty well, don't they?
yeah, they do.
I didn't see the orange one. I was looking right at it. And it's bright. I don't know. Maybe it's just my eyes don't work.
And then there's a white and black right underneath. They're all right there.
Yeah, up there at the top, several of those.
Oh, yeah, they're hanging up there.
They're hanging. I saw one fly by, so I figured there's up there somewhere. And then we got a picture of all of them so we can go sort out what each of them are.
What we found. Oh, hi, you. Look. Come down here. Oh. Incredible. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's pretty.
What do they eat?
Rotten fruit. I'm not worried the rest of that, guys, because that's just gross.
Nutritious milkshake.
Boy, they definitely have it set up in here for them, though.
And it's pretty, that's the main ones that seems to be eating them in.
Look at that one big boy there. Huge compared to the rest of them.
Looks like a fish eye.
Uh-huh. Oh, we got a little bird back here. Hiding and one climbing in the windowsill.
One right there.
Yeah, I seen him hiding underneath the bench there. Oh! Oh my goodness, look at him!
He said, wait, I can't go either direction. There's supposed to.
We got two birds fighting down here.
said, we just went other ways. If y'all would move, we'd go on about our business.
Oh, here comes some more. Definitely worth the step. There's one back there, the white bird.
And a butterfly.
Oh, yeah.
And another back there.
Oh, yeah.
Bringing in stuff.
Oh,
Ah, the butterfly in your head. It went.
okay.
Oh, it's coming in my glasses now.
Yeah, it's
It's really lovely.
this is gorgeous. Big and pretty. Oh, what's the bird? We're gonna get that bird.
We're going to let him by. I'll go by.
Oh, look at this one. Maybe on the yellow flowers. Okay, guys, that was the Butterfly Museum here at the Florida Museum of Natural History. Again, it's $14 if you're not a Florida resident, but it is definitely worth it. If you guys enjoyed this today, make sure and subscribe and give it a like.